Today, I'm going to teach you how to add rows and columns using Framer stacks. This is a fundamental skill that will help you structure your website layouts more effectively and create organized, responsive designs. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your projects and websites. From here, click on the website or project where you want to add rows and columns. This will open up your design workspace. Once you're inside your project, look at the top of the screen and click on Layout. This section is where all your layout tools live, including the options for adding columns and rows to your design. These tools are essential for creating structured grid-based layouts that look professional. Let's start by adding rows. In the Layout menu, you'll see an option labeled Rows. Click on it and then simply drag it onto your website canvas to add it inside. This creates your first row element that you can use to organize your content horizontally. The row will appear on your canvas and you can position it wherever you need it. Now to add more rows, click on Layers on the left side of your screen. This panel shows you all the elements currently in your design. To duplicate a row, simply copy the frame that represents your row and paste it. This is much faster than creating new rows from scratch each time, and it ensures consistency across your layout. After adding your rows, click on Stack to access the resizing options. Here you can adjust the dimensions of your rows to fit your design needs perfectly. The stack controls give you precise control over spacing and alignment. Now let's move on to adding columns. Click Layout again at the top, and this time select Columns. Just like with rows, drag the column element onto your website canvas to add it. Columns work similarly to rows, but organize your content vertically instead. Adding more columns follows the exact same process as adding rows. Simply copy the frame that represents your column and paste it wherever you need additional columns. This method keeps your workflow efficient and your design organized. For resizing columns, the process is identical to rows. Click Stack and then resize the columns according to your layout requirements. This flexibility allows you to create custom grid systems that match your design vision. On the right side of your screen, you'll find detailed editing options for both your rows and columns. Here you can adjust properties like links, position, size, layout, effects, and much more. These settings give you complete control over how your elements behave and appear on the page. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and customize rows and columns in Framer using stacks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.